do we find leads for new club? Maybe it be corporate, community, or maybe it's a university. How do we reach to the right people who have the power to make decisions? And I'll be sharing on 24th February how you can find leads so you can charter clubs, so that you can get your credits as sponsors, maybe as mentors. And that will be a step closer to achieving Distinguished Toastmasters and helping Tristic mission. See you on 24th February, 9 a.m. Malaysia time.
I'm going to share some insights, tips on what you need to do before the Toastmasters demo meeting is held, as well as during, how is it conducted and organized professionally. And what do you need to do after the completion of the Toastmasters demo meeting. See you soon. Bye.
You have a lead, you know how to close the lead, you did your demo meeting, and then comes the final part of the whole loop of chartering a club. That is doing the paperwork. I'm Swarna Kalyan, the current District Director of District 80, who will share with you on demystifying the paperwork and making sure that we do it right the first time. Join me online on Speak and Spark demo meetings organized by 102 Club Growth Team, and I look forward to joining you all and seeing you online. See you.